Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter missing data in dataset using Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my data in Google Sheets and I'm going to filter missing data in this table. First thing first, I'm going to add folder to the header. Like this, I'm going to select the first row and then we can click on this three dots or the more option, then just click on this icon to create a filter. Okay, and now the filter has been added to my table and I'm going to filter the missing data. I'm just going to select this column and then we're going to choose the filter by condition. Okay, and to filter the missing data, we're going to select the is empty. And then I'm just going to click on OK. Alright, and as you can see guys, that this is the empty data or the missing data in this data set. Then you can maybe fill this table with your data, and it will be really helpful if you have like a big data. It will be so helpful for you to easily find the missing data in your data set. Alright guys, so that's all the way to filter missing data in dataset using Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.